understanding quadrilateral. So, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is four-sided polygon, right? Four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. So, four-sided, there are quadrilaterals are of different types are there. Four-sided polygons. If I ask, you can say many are there. There are square there, rectangle there, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite. So different types are there. So this chapter we are going to learn more about them. So quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Now, in this quadrilateral, if the sides have some special quality or special measure, then its shape will change, right? So, according to the changing shape, we have divided it into several categories. So, let us learn about them one by one. So, first we will learn about trapezium. So, quadrilateral family, which come under is, first to come is trapezium. Trapezium. Trapezium is what? First I will draw figure, then I will explain. This is one type of trapezium, looking like a flower pot, or it can be like this. So looks like a boat here, and another one another type. So different types you can see here. And all these, in all these, something special, unique, something unique. That is one pair of opposite sides parallel. Here also, here also. One pair of opposite side parallel. So what is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with the one pair of opposite sides parallel. So what we can write? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite side parallel. Only one pair of opposite side parallel. Okay. Now the unequal non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides. So now if I name it A, B, C, D, AB and CD are parallel and this AD and BC are non-parallel sides. They can be equal, cannot be equal. And here this figure, if these two are equal, this non-parallel sides are equal. If non-parallel sides are equal, we call this trapezium isosceles trapezium. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Then, next, what the speciality of trapezium is? See, AB and CD are parallel. Then, what about these angles? angle A and angle D. They are lying on same side of interior angle on same side of transversal. Here, what is the transversal? AD is the transversal. AB and CD are parallel sides. So we call them co-interior angles. Similarly, this side B and C also. So co-interior angle you learned in grade 7. Co-interior angle specialty is what? Co-interior angles are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle D add up to 180. Similarly, angle B plus angle C also add up to 180. But angle A and angle B add up to 180? No, no. They are not co-interior. Okay. So angle A and angle D add up to 180. Angle B and angle C are add up to 180. So this is the speciality of trapezium. Is it clear? So you can note down, draw the figure and note down this. So only this much you have to know about the trapezium. Next member in the quadrilateral family is kite. Kite you are all very familiar with. You are all played kite and all. So you know. So let us see. First I will draw the figure. Then I'll explain it. Kite. So kite is a quadrilateral with both pair of adjacent sides equal. Here AB and BC are equal. AD and CD are equal. That is the speciality of kite. So what is kite? Kite is a quadrilateral with the both pairs of adjacent sides are equal. That means AB equal to BC and AD equal to CD. And other specialities here, angle. This angle and this angle are equal. How you identify those angles? The angle formed between two non-equal sides. Two non-equal sides. Those angles are, opposite angles are equal. And the next speciality is their diagonal. What is diagonal? Diagonal is the line segment connecting a vertex to non-adjacent vertices, right? So here you can see one diagonal is longer and one diagonal is shorter. AC is shorter and BD is longer here. And the speciality that they intersect at a right angle, or I can say diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. How we can write the perpendicular as notation? Notation we can write AC perpendicular to BD. And another speciality, O is the midpoint of AC. OA is equal to OC. That means longer diagonal bisect shorter diagonal. Longer diagonal bisects shorter diagonal. So OA equal to OC. But O is not the midpoint of BD. Only one diagonal bisect. Clear? This is about kite. Next Next comes in the family is some important person, that is parallelogram. Next is parallelogram. I just write the definition. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. That's all. Parallel, equal, no need to say. As per the definition, if in a quadrilateral both pairs of opposite sides parallel, then it is parallelogram. So figure. These are the diagonals. Now, so many properties are there for this parallelogram. Very interesting. So, AB parallel CD. Then AD parallel BC. And the diagonals meet at the point O. Now, let us see the speciality of parallelogram or properties of parallelogram. What are the properties? Opposite sides are parallel as per the definition. Then opposite sides are equal. That means AB equal to CD. That means AB equal to CD and other pair AD equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Next, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. Next, adjacent angles supplementary. We saw in trapezium that co-interior angles here, A and B also co-interior because AD and BC are parallel. A and D also co-interior because AB and DC are parallel. Both the pairs are parallel, no? So, A and B are adjacent angle. A plus B is 180. A plus D is 180. B plus C is 180. C plus D is 180. So, any pair of adjacent angle, when we take, they are supplementary. So, adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means angle sum is 180. So what we can write? Angle A plus angle B equal to 180. Then angle A plus angle A plus angle D equal to 180. Then angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Then angle C plus angle D also 180. Equal to 180. Next, about the diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. What do you mean by that? Bisect each other means O. O is the midpoint of both the diagonals. O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of BD. But diagonals are not equal. Diagonals bisect each other, but diagonals are not equal. Because there are doubts. Most thinking that diagonals are equal in a parallelogram? No, diagonals are not equal. A diagonal bisect only. So that means what we can write? OA is equal to OC, and similarly OB equal to OD. OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. Then some other speciality. Here, this angle, I will just putting number to this angle. These all angle, I am just giving numbers. Angle 1, angle 2, now angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Now see here, angle 1 equal to angle 5, right? Why? What is the reason? Alternate angle, see here, Z angle. So angle 1 equal to angle 5, alternate angles. Another pairs, angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. But don't think that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. No. Angle 1 not equal to angle 2. Okay. Now angle 3 and angle 7 are equal. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. What is the reason? All are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Clear? Okay. Now, so these are the properties of parallelogram. Next, rhombus. Next is rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but in a parallelogram, if all sides are equal, we call it a rhombus. What is it? In a parallelogram, if all sides are equal, we call it rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram, not quadrilateral. Definition not all. Rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides equal. So don't say rhombus is a quadrilateral with the four sides equal. The correct definition, rhombus is a parallelogram with the all sides equal. And we can call it another name. You are very familiar about the name. Diamond. No, diamond, we can call it diamond also. Okay, now let us see the speciality of rhombus. All sides equal. As per the definition, all sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, AD, all are equal. And same as parallelogram, opposite sides equal, opposite angle equal, angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D, adjacent angle supplementary, that also same as parallelogram. Now the difference comes in some properties in the diagonal. You can see here the diagonal, they bisect, same as parallelogram, diagonals bisect. That is, O is the midpoint of AC, O is the midpoint of BD, and here also diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. AC and BD are not equal. And another speciality, they bisect at right angle, or we can say perpendicular bisectors. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Clear? So let us write the properties of rhombus now down. So as in parallelogram, We can say opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Then diagonals bisect at right angle. Diagonals are not equal. So OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, same as parallelogram. And another important property is diagonals bisect vertex angles. Did you understand? Okay, I'll explain that. That is AC, diagonal AC bisect angle A and angle C. That means if this angle is X, this angle also X. So this is X, this also X. Similarly, BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So if this angle is Y, this also Y, this Y, this Y. That is the speciality of rhombus. It is not like this in parallelogram. So you can see that each of these triangles are right-angled triangle. And if you take the triangle ABC like this, it will be isosceles because AB equal to BC. So base angle equal. So these are the speciality of rhombus, diagonals, bisect, vertex angles. Next we are moving on to rectangle. Rectangle is very familiar figure to all, but you may not be aware of some special qualities of rectangle. So let us see what are the special qualities of rectangle. So what is the definition of rectangle? So if I ask generally, children will say, oh, it's a four-sided figure with all angle 90-degree, right angle, opposite side equal, all these things. But no need to describe this much. Rectangle is a parallelogram with one right angle. Parallelogram with the one right angle. Then you may think, why, what about other three? They are also right angle. Yes, definitely they are also right angle. But need not say that. We have to say only one right angle. That means if in a parallelogram, one angle becomes right angle, it will become automatically, it will become rectangle. I'll explain how. See here, A, B, C, D. So as per definition, it's a parallelogram, no? Okay. One right angle. I am taking only A as right angle. Parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal. So when angle A 90-degree, then angle C also 90-degree. Then we know that in parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. So when A is 90, B will be 180 minus 90, so it will become 90. So when B is 90, opposite angles are equal, so B also become 90. That is why in the definition it is given rectangle is a parallelogram with the one right angle. And all other qualities, properties same as that of parallelogram. We can say opposite sides equal. Properties of rectangle. Let us write. Opposite sides equal. Then all angles right angle. Then diagonal. Diagonal here, diagonal bisect each other, same as that of parallelogram. But here the major difference is diagonals are equal. AC equal to BD. That is the major difference. So what we can say? Three diagonals bisect each other. Then diagonals are equal. That is AC equal to BD. So what will happen? Diagonal equal also, they bisect each other also. So what will come? OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. All these four segments will become equal. OA, OB, OC, OD. All these will become equal. Then, as I explained in parallelogram, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, angle 1 and angle 5, alternate angle. Angle 2 and angle 6, alternate angle. But angle 1 not equal to angle 2. The diagonal are not bisecting the vertex angle. So suppose if angle 2 is 20 degree, then this angle 1 will be total 90, no? So 90 minus 20, this will become 70. So when this is 20, then angle 6 will become 20. When this is 70, angle 5 will become 70. Then other angles also. Here angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to what? Angle 7 and angle 4 equal to angle 8 because all are alternate angles. They are all alternate angles. Okay, suppose I told you when this is 20, then this is 70. So how can I find the angle 3? Angle 3 and angle 4. Here, OA and OB are equal, no? Then, see here, this triangle will become isosceles triangle, right? So, in an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. So, when angle 2 20, angle 3 also 20. So, angle 4 will become 70. Then alternate angle of angle 3 is angle 7. That will become 20. This will become 70. See, all angle we can find. And if you want, you can find this also. See here, what will be this angle then? 20 plus 20, 40. 180 minus 40, 140. Angle some property. When this is 140, then this will be 40. Because linear pair. Then vertically opposite angle. See, all angles we are getting here. On only one angle, you know, all other angles you can find out very easily. Clear? Now the last one in the family, quadrilateral family, is the beautiful member with all qualities of all the quadrilaterals. Who is that? Yes, none other than square. What is the definition of square? Square is a rectangle. Rectangle with all sides equal. Square is a rectangle with all sides equal. That is the definition. And it It has all the qualities of all. Let us see. All sides are equal. All angle, right angle. All angle, right angle. Then diagonals bisect at a right angle. And diagonals are equal also. So OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. All are equal. Then AC and BD bisect vertex angle. That means this is 45, this is 45. All these are 45, 45, 45, 45. All 45. All 45. So that is the speciality of square. So let us quickly write properties of square. All sides equal, all angles, right angles, diagonals, bisect at right angle, diagonals are equal, then diagonals bisect vertex angle. Clear now? About all the properties of, so square has got all the qualities. Clear? So in the next video, we will do the exercise questions and all. Okay, so this is the introduction of the quadrilateral and their properties. Okay, thank you.